Hello, delicious family. Let's make this breakfast together. But here you can see my already seasoned soft chicken. I seasoned this with just little salt and seasoning cubes, okay? Later on, you will notice this oil will just start foaming because initially I used this oil to, fry chicken with flour, okay? That's why. Here I make my pepper base with just 3 plum tomatoes, 1 very hot scotch bonnet peppers and 1 red onions. Here you can see me sauteing it. For this recipe I use only 1 teaspoon of curry powder, seasoning cube and salt. Oh, less of the spice please. Then you can see me turn off the heat at this time. Adding my already beaten eggs. Now at this point you want to arrange your already fried plantain in this. Kindly check up for the video on how to fry plantains perfectly well. Here you can see I've already arranged the plantains and the little chicken bits in this, and allow this fry under low heat, or you can transfer this to your oven. My beautiful people, one twist I'm adding to this particular plantain frittata is this chicken bits. The combination of eating eggs and plantains and tiny chicken bits it is something you cannot imagine until you have tasted it. So I'm saying at this very point, if you have not liked my video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section if you have tasted plantain frittata.